Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to clear cache on MacBook. If your MacBook feels slow, apps are lagging, or your storage is getting full, clearing cache files can help speed things up instantly without deleting your important files. We will cover in this video what cache files are, how to clear system cache, how to clear browser cache, and a few tips to keep your Mac running smoothly. So let's get started. Let's know first what is cache on MacBook. Cache files are temporary files created by macOS and apps to help things load faster. For example, browsers save images and website data. Apps save temporary files. macOS stores system data for quick access. Over time, these files can become outdated or too large, which may slow down your Mac, taking up storage space, cause app glitches or freezing. That's why clearing cache occasionally is a good idea. First, we will clear the user cache. What is the safest and most common method? Step 1. Open Finder. Step 2. From the top menu bar, you can see here Go. Click on Go. Step 3. Now click Go to Folder. You can see here Go to Folder at the bottom. Click on this. Now here just type the path /library. Now again / then write caches. As you can see here, then press enter. Now you will see folders containing cached files from different apps. Select the folder you want to clear. You can delete cache from the specific apps or remove everything carefully. One important tip: do not clear the folder themselves, only delete the files inside them. As you can see, this is the folder and the file inside them is this. Just delete this files only. Move the file to the trash bin. Now enter your MacBook password here. As you can see, it is on the trash bin here. Just empty the trash bin and remove everything from your Mac. And that's it. Your Mac user cache is cleared. Now method 2. A lot of cache usually comes from browsers. So let's open Safari browser first. You can see a developer menu. Okay, show developer menu in the menu bar. Now click on develop from the top menu. Okay, now select empty caches. You can see here empty caches. Click on empty caches. Done. Now open Chrome also. It is Chrome. Open it. Now step 2, plus command plus shift plus delete. Now you can see here the deleting browsing data is open, the window. This helps website load fresh data, can fix loading issues. Okay, then click on delete data. Now it is deleted. Now the last step is bonus step. Restart your Mac. After clearing cache, restart your Mac. This helps refresh memory, remove temporary system files, improve overall performance. Many users notice their Mac becomes smoother and doing this. Here are a few quick tips to keep your Mac fast. Clear cache once every few months. Keep at least 15 to 20% storage free. You can see storage about this Mac. Now again click on storage here. From here you can see how much space is free. And remove unused apps. Restart your Mac regularly. Keep macOS updated. Click on overview. You can see here software update. You can see here the latest update of your Mac. Is there any update or your MacBook is updated? These small steps can make a huge difference in performance. As you can see, my Mac is up to date. So that's how you can clear cache on your MacBook safely and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more MacBook tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.